Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious evening tea time snack recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare masala peanuts. This can also be called as masala bimuk or masala shengdana. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 3 cup of peanuts, 2 cup of besan or gram flour, half cup of rice flour, salt as per taste, 3 to 4 teaspoon of Kashmiri dry red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red food color. Adding food color is completely optional and is as per your preference. And finally, a handful of curry leaves. Firstly, to begin with, transfer the peanuts into a plate and place a sieve on top of it. Later into this, transfer the rice flour, besan or gram flour, salt, asafoetida powder, Kashmiri dry red chili powder, red food color, and sift all the dry ingredients well. Mix all the dry ingredients along with the peanuts using your hands. Once you have mixed the dry ingredients well, add water little by little and knead the masala and the peanuts well together. Make sure not to add too much water into your masala and the peanuts. To check if it is of the right consistency, take a handful of the peanuts and the masala in your hand, and if you are able to hold it tight into a ball, you can stop adding further water into it and spread this well in the plate. Now allow this to rest for another 15 to 20 minutes before the deep frying process. After resting for about 15 to 20 minutes, we can see that we are easily able to separate the masala peanuts. Now take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying, and once the oil is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this transfer the masala peanut. Make sure to separate the masala peanuts while adding it into the oil. Make sure to deep fry throughout in low to medium flame, as if we keep it in high flame, the peanuts can get easily burnt. Once the masala peanuts turn crisp and golden brown, transfer them into a plate with tissue paper topped on it so that it can absorb any excess oil if there is any. Now deep fry the rest of the peanuts as well in the similar way. Once you have deep fried all the masala peanut, switch off the flame and into the same kadai add a handful of curry leaf. Now deep fry this as well until it turns nice and crisp. Now your delicious masala peanuts are ready and it looks exactly like a store-bought one. But at this stage, if you're tasting, it can be soft and chewy. So we will allow the masala peanuts to cool down minimum for 15 to 20 minutes before tasting. Once the masala peanuts have cooled down completely, transfer this into an airtight container, and this has a very good shelf life of 2 to 3 weeks. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.